Struggling with sleep? What if I told you the secret isn't a new mattress or an app? It's a ritual. I'm gonna share 3 simple Japanese rituals to help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. No jargon, just peace. Ritual number 1: the sleep bath. First, transform your shower into a sleep signal with a yubone, an evening bath. The magic is in the cool down. Soak in warm, not hot, water for 15 minutes. As you dry off, your body temperature drops. That drop is a natural signal that tells your brain it's time for bed. Think of it as warming your core to cool it down for sleep. Ritual number 2: your sleep temple. Next, prepare your room. In Japan, this is about minimalism. Your bedroom should whisper rest, not shout out to-do lists. 1 hour before bed, do this. Firstly, remove clutter from your sight. Secondly, charge your phone outside the room. Thirdly, switch to warm, dim lights. Make your space a sanctuary for sleep only. This is your sleep temple. Ritual number 3: the 5-minute shutdown. Your body is calm. Your room is ready. Now for a busy mind. Try yoga, which means purification. Once in bed, close your eyes. For 1 minute, just listen to your breath. Then mentally thank your body. Say, thank you feet, thank you hands. If a thought about tomorrow pops up, imagine writing it on a piece of paper and placing it in a drawer. You are not forcing calm, you are allowing it. So, your new routine: a warm bath, a prepared room, and a 5-minute thank you. You don't need to do all 3 tonight. Start with 1. The goal is a ritual that tells your whole self the day is done. Try it and tell me in the comments which ritual you are starting with. You want more simple secrets for better living? Subscribe and hit the bell. Until next time, oyasumi nasai. Good night.